Let me just unfreeze this video right here so we can move on. You know? Okay, so that's it, okay, anyway, guys, it's about time I show you guys testimonial videos from fascinates. Let me read back to class. Check it out there.
Wow, it's been 5 days of training at Adobe Masterclass, and at this point,
No, just take my word for it.
I'm blown.
Give me my word for Ghana.
I've learned a lot.
From graphic design, video editing, photography. If you are still contemplating if you want to come or not tell yourself it's much more than the amount I pay.
He's a good teacher.
Kayshow Concepts is just the best. Thank you.
So guys, if you're interested in joining this video, you want to visit the website right now. Sorry guys, so if you're interested in joining the training, you want to visit the link in the description right now to get full details of the training and to register. See you guys at the training. Peace out.
Okay, guys, we're enjoying yourself, have you? Yeah, let's go into Premiere Pro. So you can see the twin video is just me replicating myself, Abby, in two places and then acting them together. Okay, so let me open up my Adobe Premiere Pro now so we can begin.